I'm gonna ignore them. All right, so let's take a look at this one. What are we missing?
A line. A line. Our intercept.
Nope. I heard someone say it. What's the most important part in the graph, people? Before you do anything. Yes.
No, you're not.
Okay, put that first, please. Okay. All right. So here, let's help you guys out. You guys know how to graph it by intercept and slope, right? So why don't you write that on the side? What is your slope? -3. How do you know it's -3? No, really. Like, how do you know?
Because it says -3x.
-3x. So the slope is always right next to the x. Okay, but when you write m is equal to a number, don't write the x. I'm tired of seeing that. Okay, so that means I've seen it before. Okay, but then when you do slope, it's always helpful to make it a fraction, right? So -3 as a fraction is -3/1. Okay, and please don't forget the numerator tells you to go down or up depending on the sign, and then the denominator tells you to go left or right depending on the sign again. Okay, your y-intercept is -1. That tells you where to start on the y-axis, right? Okay, so since the y-intercept here is -1, I will go to -1, put a point. Okay, and this next part, this is where you count, but do not put a point yet. Okay, so count. So you see the slope says -3/1. -3 means I go down 3, right? So do I have a highlighter here? Oh, nope, I guess not. Okay, so I'm gonna go down 3. Down 3. So like 1, 2, 3. Do not put a point yet, right? And then right or left? Right 1, right? So after that, you go to the right 1 right here. And after you've gone to the right or left, you put your point. Okay? So your point should not be like right on top of your other y-intercept. Yes? Yeah. Okay. What's the next part? Draw the line. And guess what I did not give you guys? Rulers. Is that a good line? No. Yes. Okay. So. Hi. Can you go around giving the rulers, please? Okay. So just wait on that. Let's talk about which one do you guys want to talk about? 3? 1? 3? Okay, let's talk about 3. Let's go look at 3 next. Okay, put the axes. What is your slope? 2/5. It's both positive, right? Okay, your y-intercept is 2. Okay, so where do I start on the y-axis? 2. Put that first point. Okay, use your slope. Your slope tells you to go where first? Up 2. 1, 2. I'm not going to put a point yet, right? Just count. And then right or left? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you put your point. Okay, after you have your 2 points, draw your line.
Ron, using it wrong so entire time. I thought this was to do the straight lines, not for this. Like I was going like this.
I guess that works too.
And then I was gonna tell you I was like, this out. I don't like doing that. But then I thought this is the only way I could, and I forgot that it's a rule too. So.
Okay, can I show you guys one more thing? Yeah, number 9. So number 9, it looks weird, right? Let's see if you guys can get it. What is my? Actually, did I do slope first? What is my slope? It's not 1. What is it? Why is it negative 6 over 5? Because it's the number with x. Okay? So be careful, yes? And the y-intercept is yes, 1. And it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay. It's not on the test, but right now it's okay. Okay, so y-intercept is positive 1, right? So I start at the 1. And then let's take a look at the negative 6 over 5. I go down 6 and right 5. Hey, if it helps you, you know how it says down 6? You can put like D for down 6 and then R for right 5. That tells you the direction to go to. Okay? If you want to do that, do that. All right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do not put a big point, right? I'm just counting. I'm going to go right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my second point. Okay? After you get those two, draw a line through them. What the? Okay, draw a line through them and then arrows. Yes. So you see this? The way I wrote it, right? The 5 is positive, right? But then do we remember in a fraction if it's negative, that negative sign can go to either one? So let's do that. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, number 6. Number 6. Let's take a look at number 6. Okay? Good question. So let's do that, right? So m is equal to negative 3 over 2. Or it's equal to positive 3 over negative 2. You guys see these two fractions? They are the same, right? The negative is just with one of them. If both numbers are negative, then it's positive. Correct. Okay? So let's follow these directions. Your y-intercept is negative 5. Okay, so I will start at negative 5. Right there. Okay? So let's take a look. Which fraction should I use? If I use the first one, I gotta go down 3, right? Do I have enough space to go down 3? I don't. So you choose. You choose. Okay? It does not matter. You can do it for everything, even if you have enough space. Okay? So we'll choose this one because my graph right now does not have enough space for going down 3. So instead of going down 3, I'll go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then that negative 2 means to go left. 1, 2. Okay? You will get the same line using either slope because they are the same. Okay? And if you were to use the first one, right? If you were to use negative 3 over positive 2, should be like right here somewhere. You see? It still hits that point, right? Okay? Okay, and that's it.